Usually in making a paper or report assignment, there are guidelines that we must follow, and one of the contents of the guide is so that the page number on a particular page is removed. Usually the page that has the page number removed is the one containing the chapter. In Microsoft Word, it is very difficult to remove the page number on a particular page. In fact, it seems impossible in my opinion. Therefore we trick it to cover the page number. Trick it by covering the page number using the shapes box. The method is to first create a shapes box or other shape according to your wishes. In the Insert menu, then click Shapes and select the desired shape. I suggest using a box shape. Then friends, change the size according to the size of the page number or until the page number is not visible. To remove the line on the shapes, friends can go to the Format menu, then in Shape Outline friends, select No Outline to remove the line. Now the page number will immediately disappear and will not be visible again. If you have another way besides the above, please write it in the comment box. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video.